Did you ever think about the connection between a codebreaker from World War II and the revolutionary technology of today's artificial intelligence? We are going to explore the fascinating story of AI, starting from the brilliant mind of Alan Turing and leading up to the incredible advancements being made today. Make sure to watch till the end to not miss out on this amazing information. Our adventure takes us back to the 1950s, where we meet the incredible Alan Turing. Turing's contribution to the world goes beyond his heroic code-breaking efforts during World War II. He is the father of AI, a true superhero who dreamt of creating machines that could think like humans. His groundbreaking paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, laid the foundation for AI and set the course for its future development. Imagine Turing as the superhero who planted the seed of AI in our world, a big idea that computers could learn and solve problems on their own. After Turing's vision, AI took its first shaky steps. Scientists were like excited toddlers, figuring out what AI could do. They started with simple tasks, teaching computers to play games and solve puzzles. It was cool, but we were still far from the super smart machines we dreamt of. Every adventure has challenges, right? In the 70s and 80s, progress slowed down, and we had a time called the AI winter. It wasn't a chilly season, but a period when people doubted AI's possibilities. Funding decreased, and the excitement went down a bit. But don't worry, our AI adventure was just taking a short break, not stopping. Fast forward to the 90s, and AI made a strong comeback. Computers got more quickly, and scientists found new ways for machines to learn. Enter machine learning. It's like teaching computers to learn from experience, just like you learn from doing things again and again. During this time, AI found its way into our daily lives. Remember those handy email spam filters? Yep, that's AI making our digital world cleaner and more efficient. From Siri and Alexa chatting with us to personalized recommendations on streaming platforms, AI is making our lives easier and more fun. We're seeing smart homes, self-driving cars, and even robots helping in hospitals. AI isn't just an idea. It's changing how we live, work, and play. Imagine a world where computers understand us, help us, and make our lives amazing. AI isn't here to replace us. It's like having a super smart friend always ready to assist, learn, and grow with us. From Turing's visionary dreams to the mind-blowing AI wonders of today, the adventure is nothing short of amazing. The story of AI is our story, filled with curiosity, challenges, and groundbreaking triumphs. This is just the beginning. The AI saga continues to unfold, and each one of you is part of this incredible journey. Stay excited, stay curious, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one shaping the future of AI. Make sure you don't miss the next chapter. Hit the subscribe button and join our community of tech enthusiasts. Let's keep the excitement alive together. The future of AI is bright, and the adventure never stops. Until next time, stay curious and awesome.